Hey everyone, Alex from Edswell here. Today I am so excited to show you the to-do list, which I actually use every day for Edswell and non-Edswell items. It is super powerful, it's very easy to use, and if you combine it with a few other Edswell features, you can get a really nice workflow. So I'm going to go ahead and log in, and okay, great. So almost every time I log in, I'm going to start a timer just in case. Great, started my timer. And now why don't we go over here to the left side. This is where the to-do list is. Click it and you'll notice that we get this little pop-up. And why don't we add like 4 items, and then I'll show you how you can kind of go through and knock them off your list when you're finished. So click Add Task, and we're going to go ahead and add a new student. Oh, that doesn't make much sense here. Let's go back, edit. Okay, so that makes sense. Done. And we're going to build Emily's college list up a little bit. We're going to invite her to a meeting. And then we're going to take a coffee break. Okay, and I'm going to add a date on this one just to show you how that works. Done. Okay, great. And you'll notice that the date shows up. This can be sorted any way you like. I'm going to keep it like that and refresh it, and it'll probably pull it from in chronological order. Okay, great. So add Emily Blunt to Edswell, build the list up, invite her to a meeting, and then take a coffee break. Fantastic. Okay, that's our to-do list. And you'll notice when I refreshed, it pulled in the deadline from the to-do list that I associated with take a coffee break for February 14th. Awesome. Okay, so why don't we go ahead and work on our first one. So add a student, and her name is Emily Blunt, and her email is emilyblunt.com. Okay, great. So she's in the senior class. She's active. I think we're good to go. Create the new student. It takes a little while it does its magic in the back. Fantastic. So you'll notice now we're in Emily Blunt's college page, her school list page. And oh yeah, why don't I go over to the to-do list and knock that off? I'll just click on that. And now that goes into the hidden tasks area. Add Emily Blunt to Edswell. And if for any reason you needed to bring that back, let's say you decided it wasn't actually complete, you would just click on it again and then it's back up. But we did actually complete that, so I'll keep it down there. Okay, cool. So the next one is to build up her college list a little bit. So I'm going to go to Add Schools, and just for convenience sake, I'll use some of the ones that are listed here. USC, UCD. Okay, great. So we picked a few schools, and we're going to assign them. And I'm logged in as a counselor right now, which is why the schools are showing up in this right column, the suggested column. Of course, you or your students can just kind of drag them over to the current column when you're ready, or you can drag them back. Okay, fantastic. So we built up a little college list here, and I'm going to go ahead and knock that off our list. Okay, next one is invite Emily to a meeting. Fantastic. Well, I can do that using the calendar page, and maybe I'll make it for tomorrow, the 14th. And let's see, Emily and Alex college list. You can fill out event details if you want. It's not required. And then we're going to type in Emily's name to bring her up. And start and end, again, not required. It'll go to the all-day events if you don't provide that. Let's create the event. Great, and it's right in there. We can see it. We can edit it. It's in there. So why don't we bring up our to-do list, which is accessible everywhere, and knock it off. And now you can see this is very satisfying. All of your to-do list items are completed, and they're down here, and you've successfully got them off your list. Awesome. Okay, well, why don't we go back to the home page, and let's see how much time we captured. Great, well, that's 4 minutes. Let's go ahead and assign that to a student. And whoops, I'll call it setting up. And we'll give it 80 bucks an hour. And great, we've sort of folded in our time capture, and we've sort of made a little money there, at least an invoice item that we can then assign to an invoice. We have 2 approaching deadlines. We have the new meeting that we just created. It's an appointment. And then we have take a coffee break, which I'm going to do right now. Okay, that's about it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for other videos, and I'll catch you soon. All right, take care. Bye-bye.